Eileen from Craftiviti. Today I'm going to share with you some thoughts of mine about preservatives. When it comes to skincare formulation, preservatives are part and parcel of formulating. Whenever you are using water in any formulation, you do need preservatives. This is the most important thing for anybody to understand. A lot of misconception is if it's a natural product, I'm using natural ingredients, I do not need preservatives. That is an issue in the market right now, because the moment you put water into any product and you mix the water with your other good ingredients like oils, like clay, like vitamins and minerals, it becomes a buffet for bacteria, for fungus, for yeast to grow. Now, if you look at it naked eye, you will not see the growth of all these microbial. But when you put it under microscope, you will see that these bacteria are growing and they're having a party because there's so much food around. So what you want to do if you're formulating naturally is you need to add natural preservatives. You can add in Optifen Plus, you can add in a tea tree extract, keeping in mind that tea tree extract is not the same as tea tree essential oil. The composites of the preservatives is different in an essential oil and in a tea tree preservative. If you want to keep your formulation totally preservative free, that's actually okay. Don't make a big batch, make small batches, keep it in the fridge, use it within 3 days, make a new batch, throw the old one away. That would be my recommendation when it comes to preservatives, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much, guys. Happy crafting!